Hi, I'm NASA Kennedy's Jason Costa, and I'm outside KSC taking you inside KSC.
The United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket that will launch Boeing's first crewed flight test to the International Space Station arrived at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station earlier this week. The rocket's first stage and Dual Engine Centaur upper stage arrived from ULA's manufacturing facility in Alabama. The Atlas V will launch NASA astronauts Barry, Butch Wilmore, Mike Fink, and Nicole Mann aboard Boeing's CST-100 Starliner spacecraft. They will dock with the space station as part of the agency's Commercial Crew Program. Launch is targeted for later this year after successful completion of Starliner's second uncrewed mission, Orbital Flight Test 2. That mission will launch on July 30th. Teams with NASA's Exploration Ground System and contractor Jacobs integrated the launch vehicle stage adapter with the Space Launch System's massive core stage on the mobile launcher inside the vehicle assembly building on June 22nd. During integration, known as stacking, the adapter was bolted to the forward skirt of the core stage. Next up, the interim cryogenic propulsion stage will be attached to the stage adapter in preparation for the first flight of the rocket and the Orion spacecraft during Artemis I. The propulsion stage will provide the Orion spacecraft with a push needed for its flight around the moon. The first in a series of increasingly complex missions, Artemis I will test the rocket and the Orion spacecraft as an integrated system prior to crewed flights in which NASA will land the first woman and first person of color on the moon.
For more Inside KSC, check us out on social media and nasa.gov/Kennedy.